My name is Anna. I work with that performance development.
Welcome back. It's time for the Gemini demo part 2. Now, if you missed it, the last video I recorded was a demo on gemini.google.com, which is the Gemini functioning Google-powered AI tool that I have been learning more and more about. Now today on video 2, I'm gonna show you some ways that you can use it inside of your Google Docs. Lots of great things to glean here. And of course, the AI is always improving, getting better, getting more intuitive. Great time to jump in, start using it so you can be at the forefront of this as it revolutionizes the way we do business. Be sure to subscribe for more videos where I do live demos of AI tools. I have some really fun ones coming up in the next couple of weeks, including a completely AI-powered social media manager. Wow. All right, let's jump right in. So what you can do is open up a Google Doc. Any doc will do, untitled. When you pop in here, what you're gonna see is that you have options. These are all AI-powered options. Number 1, help me write. Number 2, meeting notes. Number 3, email draft. And then there's more, add more, right? We can look here. It has the ability to tag in some recently created or edited docs. It also has the ability to tag into calendar invites. So if you pick which calendar invite you want to use and then you tab, it's going to start creating meeting notes, right? From there, all you'd have to do after you sit on your Zoom meeting, take your notes, taking notes. Action items, taking action. Then you can send the email with the meeting notes in one click of a button, right? If you have people on your meeting, on your Google meeting that are scheduled in via email, you can draft an email directly from your Google Doc that sends right over to them. It's fantastic. Talk about a time saver, right? Now, next, I am going to show the other way you can create meeting notes. If you click on meeting notes, it does link in with your calendar. So you can select which meeting you want to take notes for. Again, great functionality. Either way, you cut it. If we jump back to the beginning, we can also use Gemini to help us write. So this is just like a prompt that you would put in on ChatGPT. One example is, help me write a poem on marketing and AI tools in the voice of Russell Brunson. Let's see what it comes up with. Gemini's gonna do its thing. It's going to create based on our prompt. And look at that. It's giving us a poem written by Russell Brunson himself. Not really. If we click down here, we can refine it. This part I really like. We can change the tone with one click of a button to be more formal and more casual. You can have Gemini summarize it, meaning this is too long. Please summarize this for me. From there, it's going to shorten things up. If you click on refine again, you can actually ask it to bulletize any text that it's created. Elaborate, this is too short now. Please make it longer, give me more details. One click of a button, elaborate. Look at that, that turns it into a much more paragraph form. And then you can also elaborate on your own prompts. So now that this has turned it into paragraph form, can you please create a title for this? I want to know in the comments how many of y'all use words like please and thank you when you are prompting your AI tools. I'm just curious. I want to take a poll. Who is prompting their AI with thank yous and pleases, and who's treating it like a piece of cold, hard machinery? Once you have created whatever it is you're looking to create, you can insert it right into your text. Then you can go back and add another prompt. Maybe a love note to Gemini. Oh, this is good. All right, so if we insert this bad boy right in, would you look at that? We have our document ready to rock and roll. So, like I was saying, those are some of the fun ways that you can use Gemini on your Google Docs.